Kekime. Abijoma. So my name is Ijoma and I bring you Igbo lessons. Okay, I'm so glad you are here today. Kekime. Okwa ahodi. Okay. So I'm trying to make invite to a training series. Okay. Actually, it's a training. So just time I did a challenge, but on Facebook. So I had people telling me I'm not on Facebook. How do I access this training? So I decided to do another one. Okay, this time I'll be doing the training on Zoom. Okay, so on Zoom, so Zoom you can just register, and then on Sunday when it's happening, you just show up live using the link. Okay, so you don't need to go to Facebook, and it's not on YouTube. Okay, it's just like a master class. Okay, and then you have the training, and you can ask any questions. And if you have any topic suggestions, I'm still taking topic suggestions for this training. Okay, if you go to the community tab of this channel, I've made a post. Just put your comments and what you want below the post. Okay, so again, the webinar masterclass is happening on Sunday. Okay, 9:30 p.m. GMT. And the title is How to Hold a 5-Minute Conversation in Igbo. So you'll be learning things like how to pronounce difficult sounds so that you can be understood when you're making conversation. Okay, and you also learn how to understand what somebody's talking about, even if you don't understand every word in that conversation. Okay, and I'll be showing you the steps that you need to take going forward to become a confident speaker. Okay, when you're cordially invited. Consider this your official invite to this training. Inola, Ngwana, Ubochoma. Oh, have a good day. Ubochoma. Nasukwu Igbo. Kodi.